Hello everyone, welcome to Chill Chapters. Today we'll be discussing Sonnets 18 and 116 by William Shakespeare. Let's begin. Sonnets 18 and 116 by William Shakespeare both explore the themes of love. In Sonnet 18, the speaker compares his beloved to a summer's day but concludes that the beloved is more beautiful and constant than summer. He believes that his poetry will preserve the beloved's beauty forever. In Sonnet 116, the speaker defines true love as unchanging and constant, remaining strong despite time, challenges, and obstacles. And here's the analysis. Both sonnets emphasize the endurance and constancy of love. Sonnet 18 focuses on love's ability to achieve immortality through poetry, contrasting the fleeting nature of time with the permanence of verse. Sonnet 116 presents love as it is steadfast and unwavering, unaffected by change or adversity. Together, the sonnets portray love as powerful, eternal, and beyond physical decay.